Hello AmazeTech viewers. In this video, let's unbox and have a look at Lofree's Block 98 mechanical keyboard. This video is made in collaboration with AliExpress Influencer Program. Please check the video description for this product's AliExpress buy link and exclusive discount codes. Let's unbox and see what's inside. Packaging is a bit normal compared to other brands' mechanical keyboards. Build quality of this keyboard is very impressive. Left-hand side rotatable knob is to control volume of connected device. Right-hand side rotatable knob is to switch between the connected Bluetooth devices. Now let's hear how this keyboard sounds. It comes with two levels of height adjustment. Default level is this carabiner-like ring in folded state. Second level is by making this ring to expanded state. This keyboard comes with a 2.4G USB dongle to operate the keyboard in 2.4G mode. Using this slider, we can switch the keyboard between 2.4G mode and Bluetooth mode. We can also use this keyboard in wired mode using this Type-C port. Each of the keyboard switches are hot swappable. These keyboard switches are of linear type actuation. Overall, this is a well-built mechanical keyboard with all the necessary features.